something? It's still going on.
Chasing him?
It's still going on.
Oh, yeah. Let's see.
What's going on? Guys, why are we fighting? Why are we fighting, guys? Why are we fighting? There's no need to be fighting right now. Okay, guys. Is there some way we can sort... No, it's not leaving. It's coming back, I think. No, it's leaving. Yo, you good?
Good, Bob?
His name is not Bob. You good? He's not gonna like... You good? We chill? I guess so.
Good, Bob?
If he attacks me, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But we're bigger than him. Oh, why is he staring at me like he's... Dad, back up.